Add a fancy style to the text for your Facebook posts in seconds. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Start creating a post like you normally would. Then type whatever text you want to post. Once you've written your text, simply select all of it and copy it. Now open any browser on your device. Tap on the address bar at the top and go to a font generator website like textric.com. Once you're there, paste your copied text into the input box. If you scroll down, you'll see your text converted into multiple different font styles. When you find one you like, just tap the copy button next to it. Now go back to Facebook, delete the previously written text, and paste the newly copied stylish version in its place. Your text will now appear in that cool new font. Tap on Next at the bottom right corner, and then tap on Post from the top right corner. You can see the new post with stylized text, and that's it.